In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts in Adobe Express by uploading a font file directly from the text font menu. To get started, open the Adobe Express project where you want to use your new font. Then click on any text box in your design. This opens the text editing controls, including the font options for that selected text. In the left panel, click the font style drop-down field. From the available options, find and select Upload. This is where Adobe Express lets you bring your own licensed fonts into the project. A small pop-up will appear. Click Add Fonts, and your computer's file browser will open. Locate the font file you want to add, select it, then click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Quick side note, for more straightforward Adobe Express tutorials, make sure you subscribe to Ecom Control. Back in Adobe Express, check the box confirming that you have the rights and licenses to use the font. This confirmation is required before you can upload it. Then click Add. You'll see a notification at the bottom of the screen letting you know the font is being added. Wait for that message to change to a success notification, which confirms the upload has finished. And that's it. You've successfully added a font in Adobe Express.